A cold morning in London. People rushed through the streets, ignoring a homeless man sitting quietly near a cafe. A well-dressed businessman walked past in a hurry. His wallet slipped from his coat full of cash and cards. The homeless man noticed it. He picked it up, looked inside, and paused. That this money could change his life. Instead of running away, he stood up and followed the businessman. "Sir, you dropped this," he said softly. The businessman checked the wallet. Nothing missing. He looked at the homeless man in disbelief. "You could have kept it." The homeless man smiled and said, "I may be poor, but I'm not dishonest." Those words hit deep. The businessman invited him for coffee and listened to his story. That same day, he helped the man get shelter, clothes, and a job opportunity. For the first time in years, the man felt hope. As they parted, the businessman said, "Today, you reminded me what integrity truly means."